Welcome to Trabzon. I hope you enjoyed the flight. Now we are preparing ourselves to fly back to Baghdad. Welcome on board.
FlyBaghdad 282, start and push up, put runway 11.
Ground cockpit. What? Parking brake release, push back, runway 11.
11, FlyBaghdad 282.
0646.
Okay. Continue.
Continue to export takana
FlyBaghdad 282, taxi holding point 11 via Alpha, latest QNH 1021.
Alpha holding point 11, QNH 1021, FlyBaghdad 282.
Left is clear, right is clear, taxi light on. As briefed, taxi all the way to Alpha, holding point runway 11. Landing traffic inside.
Inside, correct.
Cabin secure, car ready for departure.
Okay. FlyBaghdad 282 ready for departure.
FlyBaghdad 282, standby.
Standing by, FlyBaghdad 282.
FlyBaghdad 282, line up and wait, runway 11.
Lining up and wait to runway 11, FlyBaghdad 282.
Line up and wait, before takeoff procedures, before takeoff checklist.
Left.
5 green light,
Stabilize it.
4.7 set.
Before the takeoff checklist complete, final clear.
Final clear, runway clear, line up and wait.
Check.
Vina, about the throttle arm.
Check.
FlyBaghdad 282, wind 060 knots, runway 11, clear for takeoff. After departure, approach 130225 for balance vertical.
Clear for takeoff runway 11 after departure 130225, FlyBaghdad 282. Okay, good day.
Good day.
Clear for takeoff, stable, set thrust.
Select. Takeoff thrust. 937 set. Eighty knots.
Check.
V1.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up. LNAV.
Check.
Enough speed.
Trabzon Turkish 37 Echo Lima, ready for taxi. 37 Echo Lima, holding point 11 via Alpha, QNH 1021.
Acceleration.
Check.
Speed good.
Flaps on.
Speed check +1. Trabzon approach, good day. FlyBaghdad 282, passing 1600, Pixar 1 Alpha.
Command with.
Check.
FlyBaghdad 282,
Flaps up.
Trabzon, hello sir, right hand flight plan 210, unrestricted.
Unrestricted climbing level 210, FlyBaghdad 282.
Say again, unrestricted.
210 flight level.
210. 210 set.
Check. Flaps up, no lights.
Flaps up, no light, after takeoff procedure and check.
Engine blades on, backs, auto, landing gear up and off, flaps up, no lights. After takeoff, checklist completed.
Thank you. $10,000, lights off.
Acceleration, lights off.
Stand by for passengers.
Okay.
Until leveling off.
Okay,
Releasing ourselves.
check.
Passengers and cabin crew, release. 10,000 complete.
10,000.
Trabzon tekrardan güzel sabahlar. Turkish 7367 climb 10,000 feet. Turkish 7367 Trabzon. Günaydınlar efendim. Identified climb 200 unrestricted. Climb 200 no restriction. Turkish 7367. Trabzon Turkish 7367.
This is a beautiful trip.
Çarşamba.
But
Right
with the
now.
Ankara control 132 now.
Initially direct out.
This is Trabzon.
Okay.
They give you
Turkish
Ankara.
7367.
You can request.
Transition altitude.
Set standard, cross check.
Altimeter standard set, passing 125, passing now.
Check 0.
0. Three eight five five. 3855.
Turkish 7367 Trabzon direct Çarşamba. Direct Çarşamba Turkish 7367 teşekkürler.
Research 290 departure contact upper 122275.
Was it 12275?
122.275.
122.275, this is 295.
And from Turkish 7590, I'm heading continue descent level 210.
With present heading to flight level 210 to 7590.
Okay, we will be descending to Baghdad within 120 miles from now. We are expecting radar vectors for ILS runway 33 right at Baghdad, no star. And there will be an ILS approach on localizer runway 33 right at Baghdad.
Correct.
Beige 11-2, dated 12 June 2020, effective 18 June. ATS 126-925, we got the weather in Baghdad is Cav OK, clear sky, temperature 41, QNH 1006. Baghdad approach 1224, tower 118.9, ground 1214. Localizer frequency 1101, 1101, set 3 times. Final approach course 326, 326, 326, 3 times. Gypsy at 2100, okay.
Check.
We can see in the map here.
Yes.
Gypsy, CB will shoot the approach via radar vector, CB Gypsy for ILS runway 33 right. In case of go around, I press toggle, go around thrust, flaps 15, positive rate, gear up at 400 LNAV, and then we follow the missed approach procedures, which says climb 600, then turn left.
Check.
Then turn left, climb 5,300 via radial 225, 22 DME from Baghdad to position Jul 2 and hold at Jul 2.
Check.
All in the CDU and in the map. Minimum 310. We set our side. 310, 310. Set. The highest obstacle is northeast of the runway, okay? After landing, we are expecting to pick it via Sierra 5.
Correct.
So after landing runway 33 right, we are expecting to pick it via Sierra 5, Yankee or Whiskey, as per the instructions, Quebec to one of the Charlie's position, from Charlie 31 to Charlie 36. Auto brake 2 and VRF set. Any questions?
No questions.
Approach and taxi briefing complete.
Check.
Descent checklist, please.
Descent checklist. Pressurization, landing altitude 150 set, recall.
Recall, checked.
Checked. Auto brake position 2, landing data.
VRF 140, minimum 310.
VRF flap 31, 40, minimum 310. Approach briefing.
Complete.
Descent checklist complete.
Thank you.
Control of FlyBaghdad to request descent level 330 and if possible direct to waypoint Putsi.
Putsi unavailable, sir, due to traffic and standby follow.
Standing by follow FlyBaghdad 282.
Check.
FlyBaghdad 282, approaching stable request descent.
FlyBaghdad 282, descent start level 240.
Descent level 240, FlyBaghdad 282.
240 set.
Check.
Descending. 210 two times. 240 descending.
Check.
Baghdad Emirates 62 Tango Super, maintaining flight level 360, direct Ninva.
62 Tango, roger.
Thanks, sir.
Qatari 23 Victor, contact anchor control 127925, good day.
127-925, Qatari 23 Victor, thank you, have a good day. Baghdad, go ahead.
FlyBaghdad 282, contact Baghdad approach 122.4.
122.4, FlyBaghdad 282, take a good day.
And request Putsi.
Baghdad approach, good morning, FlyBaghdad to descent level 240, now heading 172. Information Bravo, anytime ready, proceed to Sibir.
Baghdad 282, Baghdad approach, expect the Alpha approach on 133 right, weather information is Yankee, QNH 1008, standby for CB, descend altitude 12,000 feet.
Putsi.
Descend 12,000 feet, maintain heading 173, QNH 1008 for ILS runway 33 right, FlyBaghdad 282.
12000.
1000 checked.
Tell him a chance to fly Putsi. Otherwise we have to fly taxi.
Transition level set to pressure QNH 1008.
Transition 1008.
Passing 15,700, passing now.
Checked. Approach check.
Ready for checklist.
Yes. Approach checklist.
Altimeters.
1008. Set left and center. Cross check.
Check 1008 set and cross check. Approach checklist complete.
Thank you. Putsi, heading select 185.
Check, heading select.
Please update me, CB.
CB.
Just update, yes.
Area.
We are in heading select, execute.
Iraqi 223, contact Baghdad control at 132.875 today.
32875, Iraqi 223, goodbye, sir.
Baghdad 282, continue descend altitude 4,000 feet.
descend 4000 feet, fly Baghdad 282.
4000 set.
Check.
Approaching the terminal area, reducing speed 220.
Check. ILS identify, India Yankee Charlie Alpha, both side.
India Yankee Charlie Alpha identified,
Check.
both side and on the chart.
FlyBaghdad 282, continue descend up to 3,600 feet, stand by for CB.
Continue descend 3600, standing by for CB, fly Baghdad 282.
3600 set.
Check 3600.
Cujo 18 Baghdad. FlyBaghdad 282, turn right, proceed direct CB, overhead CB cleared for the ILS approach on 133 right, report established.
To the right, direct to CB, over CB cleared, LS 33 right, call when established, fly Baghdad 282.
Direct CB, execute,
Execute.
LNAV.
LNAV engaged.
Okay, so it's direct CB, execute, LNAV,
Check.
and clear for the approach over CB.
Yes. Thousand to level off.
Checked.
Baghdad control 422's VFR at 210. 422 Baghdad.
Vertical speed.
VFR.
Check vertical speed.
Right,
and
Next
report,
altitude
422.
2100.
FlyBaghdad 282, once
Check.
established, contact Baghdad Tower 109.19, good day.
One established 109 decimal 9 and fly Baghdad 282. Take care. Okay.
Flaps 1.
Speed check, flaps on.
Speed 190.
Confirm
Check.
station calling Baghdad approach, morphine 20.
Flaps 1, green
Flaps
light.
5.
Speed check, flaps 5.
Morphine 20, copy sir.
I'll enter
Cujo
with
18
that now.
CB
We are
211,
local.
13,000,
Okay.
confirm.
Flaps 5, green light.
Morphine 20, roger.
Check.
Okay, course, frequencies, localizer, glide slope in the correct side, we are lock armed.
Yes.
Baghdad approach, good morning, Delta Charlie 902.
Or lock capture.
Check. We are lock capture 326 set, 2100.
Check.
For Gypsy to intercept
Okay.
the ILS.
Yeah, correct. Baghdad, have a good day. Fly Baghdad 282 on localizer runway 23 right.
FlyBaghdad 282, Baghdad Tower. Good morning. QNH 1008, surface 1360 degrees, 12 knots. Clear to land.
Clear to land. Runway 23 right, fly Baghdad 282, QNH 1008.
12 knots, COVID.
Yes.
Ground Ground contact, continuing the ILS.
Glide slope alive.
Check. One dot above, landing gear down.
2500.
Down.
Approach mode, glide slope. R.
Glide slope capture.
Go around 5,300 set.
Check. Gear down 3 green.
Flaps 15.
Speed check. Flaps 15. Flaps 15. Green light.
Check. Gypsy inbound, flaps 30.
Speed checks. Flaps 30.
Before landing, checklist.
Landing checklist. Engine start switch.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Arm,
Landing gear.
down.
Flaps.
30 green light.
Before landing checklist complete, cleared to land.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Runway inside, continuing. Crosswind, 12 knots.
Correct. 1000 above.
Checked. Stabilized.
Check.
1000.
Stabilized, continuing.
Check.
$500.
Check.
400.
Minimums disconnecting auto throttle, autopilot.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Landing.
200.
Continuing.
$100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Yes.
Speed brake up.
Speed brake up.
Auto
Reverse
brake
speed.
in use. Reversers.
Welcome to Baghdad.
$100 knots. Auto brake disarm.
Checked.
80 knots.
Checked. Crosswind 15, landing, vacating the runway now.
Yes.
Flaps up after landing checklist. Contact the ground.
FlyBaghdad 32 runway vacated.
FlyBaghdad 282, contact ground 12.4.
1214, thank you, good day. FlyBaghdad 32.
Good day.
Baghdad ground, good day. FlyBaghdad 32.
FlyBaghdad 282, Baghdad ground, good morning Captain, taxi via Yankee, Quebec to gate Charlie 33.
Yankee, Quebec to gate Charlie 33, FlyBaghdad 32.
As briefed, Yankee, Quebec, Charlie 33. Yankee, Quebec, Charlie 33. Landing procedures, we continue. Welcome to Baghdad. Thank you. Okay, approaching gate Charlie 33.
Yes,
All lights off.
lights off.
Ground speed good. Marshal inside. Ask him the docking system. Okay, it's working now. Stopper.
Stop.
Parking brake set, only right. Seatbelt off, release. We have arrived to Baghdad. Thank you for flying with us, and I hope you enjoyed the flight. Thank you.